Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to compare two charts in TradingView. TradingView is a fantastic tool for analyzing financial markets. One of its standout features is the ability to compare different charts side by side, which can offer you valuable insights into market trends and divergences. So let's jump right in and learn how to do just that. Setting up your primary chart. First, make sure you have your primary chart open in TradingView. This is your starting point. Once everything is set up, focus on the top toolbar of your TradingView interface. You'll spot an icon with a plus sign labeled Compare or Add Symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon. Adding a second chart. A dialog box will appear, or you can enter the symbol of the second chart you want to compare. After entering the symbol, you'll see a few options on how you'd like the second symbol to be displayed on your chart. These choices are crucial for interpreting the relative performance of each symbol effectively. Display options. 1. Same percent scale. This option aligns both symbols using a normalized 100% baseline. It allows you to see percentage changes over time instead of just absolute price movements. It's highly useful if you want to compare how different instruments have performed relative to each other, especially when both symbols belong to the same asset class or sector. This option helps identify outperformers and laggards over a given period. New price scale. Selecting this option adds a second y-axis to your chart. It's ideal when the prices of the symbols you're comparing differ significantly. For instance, when comparing a high-priced stock with a lower-priced one, each symbol maintains its own price scale. This gives you a clearer, more accurate picture of their movements without one overshadowing the other due to large price differences. 3. New pane. This option places the second symbol in a separate chart pane below the main chart. It's handy if you want to keep each chart's data separate, but still visible on the same screen. This setup minimizes clutter, while offering a comprehensive view of both datasets. Start analyzing. After making your choice, the overlay will appear instantly on your chart, showcasing the relative performance of the two symbols. With this setup, you can start analyzing how these instruments move in relation to each other, providing valuable insights into potential trading opportunities. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently compare two charts in TradingView, enhancing your market analysis capabilities. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to compare two charts in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.